What's happening, guys? I'm just going to take you through the trades that I've shared with the students and how everything played out from yesterday and today. This is gold. This was yesterday for our time frame. We saw this is the setup that I had sent to them, and this was a beautiful clean head and shoulders, expecting the market to come all the way down to this support level, and it played out exactly as expected. This was that shoulder. As you can see, these two candles, if you think these are the candles, this was the candle going up. As it comes down, that candle created this pin bar coming all the way down here before this market actually turned going all the way up. Now let's move forward and see some of the setups that I sent. This was today, this morning. You'll see at 8:30. At 8:30, this was Nasdaq 100 1-hour time frame. If we come to Nasdaq 1-hour time frame to show you exactly what I spotted at the time, this is after I got the message from one of my followers on Instagram telling me that I should look into NASDAQ. There's a potential buy. Then I went and did my own analysis, and there was a potential buy on NASDAQ. This is the setup. As you'll see, this is how the setup looks at the time. Expecting it. So it was a clean, simple setup actually, because we have our trend line, simple, straight up, expecting to go all the way up. If you look at NASDAQ, it played out exactly as I was expecting it. This was the level, expecting it to go up. Also, the support level, it's not from your H1. You need to understand that each and every time frame has its own levels of support and resistance. Okay, let's move forward. So that setup I had sent, it played out as expected. This was one of the trades that I took as well. And then let's move forward. This was Euro USD. Euro USD, I was expecting it's A, B, C. On our C, I was expecting it to go all the way up, breaking this resistance level because our 61.8 needs to finish. So it did exactly that. This is 61.8 fib level. So if you come and look at Euro USD, how it played out exactly as expected. Remember, it was the H1. So this is what there's that C. From there, this market went up, pulled back. There was no clear entry here. I did not take this trade actually because I didn't see an entry. However, I knew the trend. Definitely, I knew the trend. Then off we go. It went all the way up with this big bullish candle, and then after that, did that, and then it continued going up. Cool. Now let's move forward and look at another setup. Another setup was Euro NZD. Euro NZD, I was expecting a fall coming to this trend line. Someone else would have expected this market to fall all the way down to the support. However, it's not always the case. Mostly it's people that would trade support and resistance only. There are things that you need to be aware of, right? And some of the things you're not gonna fucking get on YouTube and stuff like that. Remember, the stuff that you see on YouTube is just, it's good enough to get you started, but you cannot expect to be consistent in your profits, in your trading, if you're not gonna dig deeper and seek for knowledge for someone that can mentor you. Euro NZD, if I come check Euro NZD, H1. This is the setup. It was here. I was expecting to come here. It literally came to that point before it went all the way up there. It was there. I was expecting it to fall all the way down here. It did exactly that. It's identical, as you can see there. Okay, let's move forward. Look at another setup that I had sent. I was just giving an update to the guys about Euro USD. Also on the other side, sorry, about NASDAQ. On the other side, US30 was falling. So at times, most people think that US30 and NASDAQ, they correlate. It doesn't happen all the time. As you can see here, US30 is melting crazy. However, on the other side, NAS100 is going up. Okay. So yeah, let's move forward. I was just giving an update to the guys. The only trades that I took from these setups that I sent, all the three setups that I sent, the only setup that I took was the NASDAQ. NASDAQ paid off beautifully today, and you can see NASDAQ is actually still bullish. And I closed my trade somewhere here. before it did this, I closed my trades and I'm all good. I'm all good. I did not overtrade. I was all good. I think around 4 p.m. I was already sorted. Moving forward, this was another student sending their setup. They didn't really leave a comment. I don't know what's going on. So you'll see that this is the group of this is the mentorship group. There's a NASDAQ group. Also, the setups were shared on this other side. So what I do is basically look for setups, share on the group. The guys do their own analysis. If it's valid, everyone eats. You know. Also, the guys, if they see something, they send on the group. And if it's valid, everyone eats. If we lose, most of us lose. We all lose. But in most cases, we try by all means that 60 to 70% of the trades that we take, they hit that they're profitable. It's impossible that we're gonna have winning trades at all times. That's just super impossible. Super impossible. So yeah, that's it for our Technical Tuesday. Out and about. Oh, people have been asking about the course. Yes, the course is still available. I'm still selling. I still have the courses. So come to the website, go to courses. You will see all the courses there. Come to the website, you will see the courses. The website www.clubforex.co.za. Go to the website. Okay, request a callback. If you request a callback, put your name, your cell phone number, and then submit. Then we'll have a conversation and see a way forward from there. Cool stuff. Cheers, guys.